time now for business news with Nona Pelsier. Hi, Nona. Fletcher Building, so it's downgraded its profit outlook by $30 million. Why is that?
Yeah, well, they've sold their Formica business, so they're going to not make the money from that. But however, the proceeds from that is about $1.2 billion, which is a heck of a lot of money. And the market was pretty excited about that and marked the share price up 1.3%. Now, we don't know what they're going to spend that money on yet. We're going to have to find that out a little later. But the market had other things to think about today, that's for sure.
Yeah, so what was going on the market? A bit of a tumble?
Yeah, there's a bit of a tumble for sure. Big time. I mean, there's all sorts of things happening, not just one thing, but underpinning it is that world, the trade war between China and the United States. There's other things going on too, which saw A2 Milk, which is our largest company in New Zealand, drop 11% today. Now, that's what you'd expect, I suppose, with all the sort of changes going on in the Chinese domestic market, not just in the trade market. And so that meant that overall, the market, our market dropped 1.6% today. That's a big drop. That was what we've seen, though, in other markets. So NASDAQ, for example, has officially announced a correction. They dropped to 10% in the last month.
So we were running with the pack.
We're definitely running with the pack. Yeah. We're down 166 points to 9,952. Now, our dollar is holding steady, even though the Reserve Bank of Australia dropped their interest rate, their official cash rate, down 0.25% today to 1.25%, lowest rate they've seen in, well, a very, very long time.
I can't remember the last time you came in here with the markets with a 9 in front of it.
It's been a long time, but don't worry, I'm sure I'll be back with the same eventually. If not tomorrow, perhaps some other day. I think that the market is definitely in a period where we're going to see a lot of tension with these ongoing trade talks for sure.